Imagine waking up one morning and realizing you no longer need a smartphone. No giant screen in your pocket, no endless scrolling, no pulling your phone out every 5 minutes. Instead, your glasses answer questions instantly. Your ring tracks your health with AI. Your earbuds translate languages in real time. And tiny wearable devices become your personal AI assistant 24/7. Sounds crazy, right? But here's the scary part. This future is already starting, and some of the biggest tech companies in the world are racing to replace the smartphone completely. Meta, Google, OpenAI, Apple, Samsung. Everybody is preparing for the next era of technology. And honestly, the smartphone era might already be dying. Today we're diving deep into the future of AI wearables, smart glasses, AI assistants, and the technology that could completely replace the phone in your pocket forever. And trust me, some of this feels absolutely terrifying. Let's be honest for a second. Smartphones have become boring. Every year, companies launch new phones. But what really changes? A slightly better camera, a brighter display, a faster processor. That's basically it. Think about it. 10 years ago, smartphones completely changed human life. But now, most people can barely tell the difference between last year's phone and the newest one. And tech companies know this. That's why they're desperately searching for the next big thing, because the smartphone market is slowing down. People upgrade less often now, innovation feels smaller, and users want something more futuristic. That's where AI wearables enter the picture. AI wearables are devices you wear on your body that use artificial intelligence to help you in real time. And honestly, this technology is evolving insanely fast. We already have AI smart glasses, AI rings, AI pins, AI earbuds, AI watches, even AI clothing prototypes. The goal is simple. Instead of carrying a phone, technology becomes part of your life naturally, and this changes everything. Imagine walking down the street and asking your glasses, what restaurant nearby has the best burgers? And instantly, information appears. No phone needed. Or imagine traveling to another country, and your earbuds automatically translate conversations in real time. That's not science fiction anymore. That technology already exists, and companies are investing billions into making it even smarter. Now let's talk about the most important device in this entire conversation: AI smart glasses. Because many experts believe smart glasses could become the replacement for smartphones. And honestly, that idea makes a lot of sense. Think about it. The biggest problem with smartphones is the screen. You constantly need to stop what you're doing and look down. But smart glasses solve that problem completely. Information appears directly in front of your eyes. Navigation, messages, AI assistants, phone calls, translation, recording videos. Everything becomes hands-free. And companies like Meta and Google are moving fast in this direction. Some smart glasses can already record videos, take photos, answer questions using AI, play music, read notifications, live stream directly online. Now imagine what happens in the next 5 years. Smaller batteries, better AI, better displays, faster internet. This technology could become incredibly powerful. And honestly, that's both exciting and terrifying. Because here's the problem nobody talks about enough. What happens when AI devices are always watching, always listening, and always connected? Imagine millions of people walking around with cameras directly on their faces. That creates serious privacy concerns. People may not even know they're being recorded anymore, and AI itself is becoming extremely powerful. These systems are learning your habits, your schedule, your interests, your voice, your behavior. Some AI devices can already predict what you want before you even ask. That sounds convenient, but also a little creepy. And this is where the debate becomes really interesting. Are AI wearables helping humanity, or are they slowly removing privacy completely? Because once technology becomes part of your body, there's no escape from it. The reason this is happening so quickly is because the next technology revolution could be worth trillions of dollars. The company that replaces the smartphone wins the future. That's why every major tech company is competing aggressively right now. Apple is reportedly developing advanced smart glasses. Meta is investing heavily into wearable AI. Google continues working on augmented reality technology, and AI companies are building assistants that can interact with the real world. This isn't just about gadgets anymore. This is about controlling the next generation of computing. And honestly, we're probably closer to that future than most people realize. Now the big question, will smartphones completely disappear? Probably not immediately. Phones are still extremely useful, but over time, they could become less important. Just like laptops didn't completely disappear after smartphones arrived, smartphones may still exist while wearables slowly take over daily tasks. And younger generations adapt to technology very quickly. If AI glasses become lightweight, stylish, and affordable, millions of people will absolutely use them, especially if they make life easier. So, are smartphones doomed? Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but the future of technology is clearly changing. AI wearables are becoming smarter every single year. And honestly, the idea of carrying a giant rectangle in your pocket forever suddenly feels outdated. The next generation of technology may not even have screens at all, and that future is arriving faster than anyone expected. But now I want to know your opinion. Would you replace your smartphone with AI glasses or wearable devices? Or does this future sound completely terrifying? Comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more future tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.